Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to start a very important series which is related with the finances of the mosques. And wherever a mosque is built, you got to take care of its finances in whatever way. And there are a lot of issues related with finances, masajid in every place. Whether you are living in a Muslim majority country or in a non-Muslim country, you got to deal with the finances of masajid. And the very first topic in this series which we're going to cover today is basically related with using zakat funds to build, maintain or decorate masajid. The thing is, as you know, zakat funds have specific categories described by Allah in the Quran where zakat funds could be used. And today's topic is whether we could use these funds to build, maintain or decorate masajid as well. So before I give you my understanding, I think we need to describe the opinion of those who are scholars who have studied this topic for their entire lives. And what happens is the four schools of fiqh, the four schools of thought, as you know, Hanbali, Hanfi, Maliki, and Shafi, and the majority of the other scholars, they are of the opinion the category of zakat described as for the sake of Allah refers to the mujahideen only who do not receive a sufficient stipend for their services. The Hanbalis also add that those mujahideen could be considered as those people who are making the obligatory Hajj to this category. Imam al-Razi, a famous scholar in Islam who has written Quranic commentary, he notes that there is nothing to restrict for the sake of Allah category simply to the mujahideen. He says that Al-Qaffal has quoted this from some jurists, stating that the money can be used to shroud the deceased as well, build masajid and so on. This is also the view of Al-Qasimi, Muhammad Rashid Rida and Siddiq Hassan Khan as well. So to our understanding, it's safest to use only voluntary contributions, voluntary donations for building, maintaining and decorating mosques. Zakat funds should only be used in cases of dire necessity. Some scholars expand the understanding of jihad with the tongue and dawah to Allah. For example, if an Islamic center in the West or in a non-Muslim majority country is participating in dawah activities to non-Muslims, it may be permissible, it is permissible for it to receive zakat funds. Some scholars, they are of the view that if the mosque is in debt, it may receive zakat funds under the category of those in debt. As for overly decorating masajid, this is, as you know, not liked in Islam, and therefore charity, even voluntary contributions, should not be used for overly decorating any masajid because it's not necessary, and of course it does not serve the purpose for which we are created. It does not serve the purpose of mosque, it does not help it in any way. But of course, as mentioned earlier, that zakat funds could be used for promoting Islam, for promoting dawah, for basically attracting yet not Muslims to the fold of Islam. Of course, this is a very important category, but other than that, we should avoid use zakat funds to build, maintain or decorate mosques in every case. So thank you so much again, and I hope that you guys learned a bit from this topic, and inshallah very soon we're going to come up with another important topic related to the finances of the masajid anywhere in the world. So till then, inshallah, talk to you. Assalamu alaikum.